Yo, what's up guys? How you doing? Jay coming at you now. Another video. This time is gonna test the zoom even further with the P20 Pro. So as you can see, I'm showing you the image stabilization, and it seems really smooth, as you can see. So the recording is in 1080p. Sorry. So I'll be recording so the phone does not turn off. I'm going to show you what a 10 times zoom plus an image stabilization looks like. So this is a Toyota Camry. I can see this car from here. It's a Toyota Camry waiting by the lake. Now if we go further over there, we see, and this is way back. You cannot even see it by my own eyes. But you can actually identify how many buildings we have over there. This is in Bahrain, by the way. So let's take another test. Let's take a look at this bridge. And this is a 10 times zoom. Now you can see the details on the bridge, but you cannot identify the cars or what type of car that is going on there by brand. Like, I know this is a truck, this is a car, but I cannot identify what brand of the car is. But that would be crazy if you can't do that. um, yeah, we have a truck over there, and as you can see, still this is the image stabilization and 10 times zoom. So let's take another test. Let's see if we can even know. Yeah, we can do it from here. We can know the type of cars that we are zooming in from here. And I'm gonna zoom out so you can see what I'm talking about. So if you go photo mode and zoom all the way, you're not actually gonna get all the way more zoom, because in the video you'll be able to zoom even more, even though it's a 10 times zoom. But I'm gonna show you a test right now. Now look at this car. All right, I'm in photo mode. If I go to video, I'm actually zooming even further. Back to the photo. This is 10 times zoom. See? That's cool. That's really cool. I wonder if Huawei can even enable a 15 times zoom with a little bit loss of detail. That would be even um, great, because I believe this camera is really capable of doing so. Thank you guys for watching the video. See you guys later.